Hello children, welcome to our channel Learn with Man. In this video, we will learn ABCD with phonics.
A is for apple. A is for apple, juicy and red. Apple keeps us fed. Repeat children. A is for apple, juicy and red. Apple keeps us fed. B is for ball. B is for ball. B is for ball. Bounce it's high. B is for ball. Bounce it's high. Ball touch the sky. Ball touch the sky. Repeat children. B is for ball. Bounce it's high. Ball touch the sky. C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for cat, soft and small. C is for cat, soft and small. Cat, she loves us all. Cat, she loves us all. D is for dog. D is for dog. D is for dog, wags his tail. D is for dog, wags his tail. Dog, waiting for a meal. Dog, waiting for a meal. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for elephant, big and strong. Elephant trunk so long. Elephant trunk so long. F is for fish. F is for fish. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Fish, happy as can be. Fish, happy as can be. G is for goat. G is for goat. G is for goat, climbing the hill. G is for goat, climbing the hill. Goat, munching till still. Goat, munching till still. H is for hen. H is for hen. H is for hen, X at down. H is for hen, X at down. Hen, morning has begun. Hen, morning has begun. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream, creamy and sweet. I is for ice cream, creamy and sweet. Ice, a yummy treat. Ice, a yummy treat. J is for jet. J is for jet. J is for jet, flying so fast. J is for jet, flying so fast. Jet, zooming past. Jet, zooming past. K is for kite. K is for kite. K is for kite, sailing high. K is for kite, sailing high. Kite, up in the sky. Kite, up in the sky. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lion, king of land. L is for lion, king of land. Lion, roar so grand. Lion, roar so grand. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. M is for monkey, jumping on the tree. M is for monkey, jumping on the tree. Monkey, full of glee. Monkey, full of glee. N is for nest. N is for nest. N is for nest, cozy and warm. N is for nest, cozy and warm. Nest, safe from harm. Nest,
safe from harm. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for orange, juicy and round. O is for orange, juicy and round. O orange, sweet taste found. O orange, sweet taste found. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. P is for parrot, green and bright. P is for parrot, green and bright. Parrot talks with delight. Parrot talks with delight. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. Quack, quack, queen, all around town. Quack, quack, queen, all around town. R. R is for rat. R is for rat. R is for rat, running here and there. R is for rat, running here and there. Rat, looking everywhere. Rat, looking everywhere. S. S is for sun. S is for sun. S is for sun, shining all the day. S is for sun, shining all the day. Sun, golden ray. Sun, golden ray. T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. T is for tiger, strong and bold. T is for tiger, strong and bold. Tiger, strips of gold. Tiger, strips of gold. U. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry. Umbrella, raining sky. Umbrella, raining sky. V. V is for violin. V is for violin. V is for violin, gentle tune. V is for violin, gentle tune. Violin like the moon. Violin like the moon. W. W is for watch. W is for watch. W is for watch, telling the time. W is for watch, telling the time. Watch, ticking in rhyme. Watch, ticking in rhyme. X. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone, ding dong ding. X is for xylophone, ding dong ding. X xylophone, sing sing in. X xylophone, sing sing in. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Yo-yo, round and round. Yo-yo, round and round. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra, strips in line. Z is for zebra, strips in line. Zebra, looking fine. Zebra, looking fine. Great job, children. You learned A to Z with fun rhymes today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.